Hey folks, welcome to Lightroom Blog. I'm Sean McCormick, and in this video we're going to look at the Lightroom interface. Hey folks, this is Lightroom Blog and I'm Sean McCormick. So in this video we're going to take a look through the layout of Lightroom and getting around in Lightroom. So we have panels on each side, which is the left panel and the right panel. So you can close them down and see all of them. Then there's the right panel. At the top you have the module picker. At the bottom you've got the film strip, and then obviously you've got the central image area, and then in each module you can have the toolbar on and off. So let's have a very quick look at what's happening here. On the left panel you generally have stuff that are settings that are related to the module that you're in, so folders and collections for instance, are ways of managing your images, which you do inside the library module. Keywording, metadata, and the comments from your files through publish services, this is all stuff that happens on the right hand side because it's settings related to what's going on. And in this case you also have quick develop, which lets you do little quick edits to lots of your images. In the different modules you have different things going on. So develop is where you basically change the look of your image. On map lets you basically drop them in, or if you're using stuff from a phone, etc., that has GPS data embedded, it will show where they are. Book lets you create books, which can go to blurb or can create PDF books. In slideshow you can create slideshows of your images for playback, which can be exported as video and uploaded. Print lets you control your printer and your print layouts. And then web lets you create web galleries. So those are the modules, and the idea is that you work a lot in library to get all your management stuff done, and then you go to develop, and with your best images you then process your best images, and then you can place them on the map, or then you can create these outputs for them as well. You have a few different views as well when we're in library, so we're going to go back to library. So here we have a single image view, which is called loop view. There's also the grid view, which is a shortcut G, which shows you thumbnails. You can change the size of the thumbnails in the actual toolbar here, or you can use the plus and minus keys to increase or decrease the size. You also have what's called compare view, which compares two images. So let's select two images and press the compare view. Or you can press the C key, so you've got your select and your candidate for comparison. There's also a survey view, which lets you look at more than two images. So if we select a few more images, they come up on screen. I find survey view great for making selections. There's also people view, but we have no people here. But this is where you can set up an index faces inside your catalog, so you're able to put face keywords on people. So I'm going to press E to go back to loop view. So let's just talk about those shortcut keys for a second. We have G for grid, E for loop, C for compare, N for survey, D for develop, just so you have some of these shortcut keys. I'm going to press E then to go back to loop view. So a couple of other shortcuts that we can use here, and that is that we can use the tab key to turn on and off the side panels. You can use shift tab to turn on and off all of the panels. And we have the toolbar below the image, so we press T for toolbar. That will hide the toolbar. And looking very quickly inside the toolbar, you have all of these extra things that can be added. Now the toolbar is turned on and off separately in each module, so if you have it on one module, it's not necessarily on any other. Some other shortcuts that are of note are the L key for lights dim and lights out. So that's lights dim, which hides the interface a little bit. And then we have lights out, which completely hides the interface. You press F for full screen, which will bring it up and take up as much screen as possible. And then F will turn that off again. And there's a variation on that, which is the Shift F, which will cycle through a view that's hiding most of the UI, but still including the interface, as in up here. And then if we do this second time, it'll hide the menu as well. So we get to see as much of the interface hiding the actual operating system in the background. And then if we do it Shift F one more time, it'll bring us back there. So that's a look at some handy shortcuts as well for getting around inside the interface. So that's been a look at the general layout of Lightroom and getting around Lightroom itself. So folks, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button down below. If you want to see more content, hit the subscribe and click the bell so you get notifications when new content comes online. Thanks for watching.